Hello everyone, we've got question 6 on paper 2 from 2024 for Edexcel. And we've got a nice function question here. So it says figure 1 shows a sketch of the curves with the equation y equals f of x and y is equal to g of x, where f of x is equal to e to the 4 squared minus 1 and g of x is equal to 8 ln x. Find f dashed of x and g dashed of x. So first of all, we've got our f of x expression is equal to e to the power of 4x squared minus 1. So when we differentiate that, our outer function stays the same, and we times by the derivative of the inner using the chain rule. And the derivative of 4x squared minus 1 is 8x. So that's our f dashed of x, 8x times e to the 4x minus 1. Now g of x. G of x is equal to 8 ln x. Ln differentiates into 1 over x. So our g dashed of x is going to be 8 over x. Part B. Given that f dashed of x is equal to g dashed of x at x is equal to alpha, show that alpha satisfies that equation. So we put our two derivatives equal to each other, and we're just going to try and rearrange it into the equation that's given in the question. So I've put them equal to each other. What have I done next? Divided both sides by 8, so that gives us the 8's gone and that's become a 1. I've divided everything by x, and I've done that because I need to get these ln's in here in a minute. So I've divided by x. Now I've taken natural logs of both sides, so I end up with 4x squared is equal to ln of 1 over x squared. I have then rewritten ln of 1 over x squared as ln of x to the minus 2. And I've used then the power law of logs to bring that minus 2 out to the front here. Finally, I've just rearranged it by adding over the minus 2 ln x, and we get the expression that's required in the question. So that's our part B. A little bit of recursive iteration now for the next bit. It says the iterative formula given there is used with x1 is equal to 0.6 to find an appropriate value for alpha. Calculate giving each answer to 4 decimal places. So let's just see how we program this into our calculator. So we're given that x1 is equal to 0.6, okay? So I'm going to put 0.6 in and press equals in my calculator. So I've programmed now 0.6 into my calculator. I'm now going to press the square root button, and I'm going to press the fraction button, and I'm going to do 1 minus 2 times by answer, or rather 2 times ln of answer, close bracket, divided by 4. Okay, so there's our expression programmed into the calculator. Now every time I press equals, we're going to be going once round the recursive iteration formula. So I've pressed equals once and I've got that value, okay, which when I round that value to 4 decimal places is 0.7109. So that is our value of x2. Now for part 2, it says what is the value of alpha? So what that means is what is the value that this is going to tend towards as we keep on going round the loop. So I'm just repeatedly pressing equals until such a time as I can see that it's not changing anymore, my answer. It's still changing a little bit. Keep on pressing equals. It's taking a long time to settle down to its root here. My goodness, it's taking a very long time to settle down. Eventually it will stop changing though. Okay, and I think we've got it there. So it took a long time to settle down. Now obviously, you know, this is just as accurate as the calculator can go, but our value of alpha to correct to 4 decimal places is just going to be this expression here, but to 4 decimal places. So it's going to be 0.6706, and that's our answer for alpha. Okay, perfect. Right. I hope that you found that helpful, and I will see you in the next video.